Hey guys, so in this video today I will be repotting some of these to give them their own space so that they can grow. This is the Kalanchoe Loxiflora right here. There's a few that are not, but most of them are the Kalanchoe. This plant is very requested when I do show them. They ask if I have any extra to sell, so I've been trying to propagate it. Right now, because where this plant was growing, it was not getting a lot of sun, so you really can't see the beautiful form that it gets. But I'll show you in a bit what it looks like when it's getting sun. So that I can give it room to grow and have more branches, I'm putting them single, just so they have lots of room and they'll produce more like shoots or whatever you want to call them. Kalanchoes grow really quickly, in my opinion. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's very windy here. It's so nice to be outside right now. I don't want to be inside. You got to take advantage because, you know, we get a lot of humid days with no kind of breeze. The mixture that I'm currently using is Miracle Grow, Turfus, and worm casting. I started using worm casting. This is my second bag. I don't have an opinion yet on it because it does take time. But we are in spring, so I feel like it'll still be hard to tell. Maybe I'll be able to tell if my plants are healthier. Maybe I'll be able to tell like that. But other than that, I don't know how exactly I'm going to know if it's, you know, doing well. I have some that are a bit smaller that I will put in here. And then once it gets a little bit bigger, then I'll repot it in its own, in a bigger pot. Here's, look at this tiny one. Okay. So I need to mix more soil, but before I do that, let me show you the plant. There is one that I have here growing nicely, and you see how they grow all nice and tight, and their edges look way darker. Such a beautiful plant. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's a Kalanchoe Loxiflora. Here's the name. I hope you guys like it as well. Let me mix more soil and then I'll be back to possibly maybe pot something else, just to not be boring. Hold on. So I'm gonna I'm trying to propagate these black gems. They're called I think they're called black gem aloes. Very easy. They don't have roots except for one, and I'm gonna put them somewhere where they won't get wet, but also where they won't get sun. They just need bright light. They look better, in my opinion, when they just get bright light. So that's those. These I need to get out of here because they're not gonna fit. They're gonna squish each other. I just put them, there were a bunch of little baby plants. And they're just a bunch of little leaves that had grown into little tiny plants, but now they are blowing up. So I'm gonna take them out and give them their own individual pots so that they can continue to grow. I just get really happy when I see plants that I was able to propagate, you know. It just makes me so happy. Like, I grew that. I'm also thinking about thinking about it, haven't decided, into plants, regular plants, you know, that flower. Just in the garden, random plants that you see at Home Depot, perennials. But I don't know, I was thinking that maybe now it's a good time because we do get a lot of rain during this time. So since I'm really bad at watering my plants, maybe because it's rainy season, maybe it'll work out for me, you know. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm not too sure, so we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and had a good time. Look at this one. I'm going to show you guys this one right now. Hold on. Let me go ahead and put this one in here. Oh, this one is a double too. Little double head on the stem, like this one. I see like little white specks, but I don't see anything. I really like the way the wheelbarrow turned out. Every time I look at it, it just reminds me like you know, it looks like a big garden, you know, like ones that are in the ground, but obviously that's not in the ground. I would like to make more of those if I can control, you know, if I know very well the area where I'm going to place it, that it's going to get enough sun and it's not going to burn. I don't worry about California sunsets because California sunsets and ghost plants have proven to me that they can handle afternoon sun and they won't burn as long as they've been acclimated. So I don't worry about those. So that would be easy. It's just the other ones that I haven't had for a long time. Those I would wonder more about. You know, I noticed you're not seeing everything I'm doing. So we'll leave there. Oopsie, sorry guys. is it going for you guys? How are your succulents doing? If you do have them, how is it going? What are you excited about this summer? I would like to know. Leave in the comments below. I'm realizing time is going by really fast, and my daughters are just getting bigger and bigger, and it's very difficult as a mom to, it's bittersweet. It's good, right? Because you're like, wow, they're getting so big and beautiful, and you just see how smart they are, and just, you know, their character. But also just hard, because you know that in this world there is a lot of bad stuff. There is. And if you don't know, then you haven't been watching TV. Whoa, I've been watching Dateline, and oh my goodness, Dateline will remind you how evil people can be. So I don't recommend it if you're gonna let it like really get to you, you know. So don't watch that if you're, you know, the type of person that it's gonna just really get to you and just put you in a bad mood. Do not watch Dateline. Dateline Secrets and Lies. Yeah. But yes. And then also just the news, you know. The news recently, there was a young kid that killed a young girl, you know. And how do you talk to your kids about that? I know 100% sure, I know that that girl, that young girl, did not think that that boy can hurt her. He did not think that. I know she didn't, because you know, she went to go meet him. And if you are afraid of somebody, you don't go meet them. So it's like, I feel like if you don't talk to your kids about it, then it's like you're not informing them and helping them understand and see that, you know, kids need to mature. It takes a long time to mature. Even adults have a hard time dealing with relationships. Imagine a kid, a child. So yeah, you gotta talk to them. You gotta find a way to not make it uncomfortable and talk to them. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into that because I don't want to mess up my video, right, with negativity. But yeah, I need more pots. Anyways, so yeah, so I am hoping, and I've been talking, you know, I think a lot of communication, you know, with your kids. I am a person that I like good energy, good attitude, you know. Like if I say, hey guys, let's go here, and I hear complaining, I quickly get like, I don't want to go now, you know, because I don't want to drag anybody with me. But what I mean, they're kids, they don't know what's best for them. They don't know that spending time with your family is good, you know. They don't get it. They don't see why. They don't realize for them time goes by slow. For us it goes by fast. So they don't get it. So, you know, I've been preparing them. And I think that's the best thing to do, is talk to them and prepare them mentally to accept the things. So I've been telling them, hey, summer's coming, and I've told you guys, you're getting older, so time is going by fast, so we need to do things. And I don't want to hear complaining, you know. If mommy and daddy want to go to the beach or want to go do something that's, you know, all together with the family, I just want you just to accept it and go along with it, because anyways, you still have to go regardless. So why bother complaining? Just be like, okay, fake it till you make it, you know. So that's what I tell them, fake it till you make it. You're gonna go no matter what, because you're not the boss of you. And when they get there, they're happy, you know. It's just the idea of leaving the house and leaving the devices. That's what it is. But once they're out, they're having fun, and they're reminded, you know, oh, okay, this is why I like going out, because it can be fun. So I've been telling them that, and I've been telling them, you know, when you get older, you're gonna be so busy soon with so many things, this and that. So take advantage of summertime right now, that you don't have very much responsibilities, especially right now in the summer. And let's just, you know, hang out. Mommy wants to spend more time with you guys and do stuff. So, and they're like, okay. So, you know, they're already preparing themselves. I also try to do things that they like as well. Sometimes, you know, you got to get in their level. So I also try, you know, they wanted me to I'm making a video is, I don't recall if it's on this side or somewhere else. So I forgot what I was just telling you guys. Sorry. What was I saying? Oh yeah, they wanted me to download some game there. It's like a bunch of adventure quest things that you have to do, and I kind of like it. I don't mind playing with them. So yeah, that's something that we can do, but it has to be more than that, you know. It can't just be on a device. So yeah, I think I am going to put these other ones. They're kind of small. Let's see. So yeah, tell me what you guys are thinking about doing. Oh, that one dropped a leaf. Things in Florida are getting back to normal, thank goodness, thank God. I can go to the gym now without a mask, so that's good. Not that we had to work out. We didn't have to work out with a mask at the gym. We just, whenever we were going to whatever destination we were going to, whatever machine, then you had to wear your mask. Okay guys, I think that's it for this video. This is my propagation. I'm trying to be consistent, and when they're growing, I need to take them out and put them into bigger pots or individuals so they can grow better and have more space and more healthier. So that's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful in some way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.